Have you ever stopped to think that the solution to improving your kidney health might lie in a simple habit you can incorporate into your daily routine? It sounds too good to be true, but science shows us that small adjustments can have a huge impact on our health. Now, imagine being able to lower your creatinine levels and help your kidneys recover quickly without needing drastic changes or expensive treatments. The secret? Something you can do once a day, without spending much time or energy. This is one of those pieces of advice that few people value, but it could be the key to transforming your kidney health. We're not talking about miracle drugs or crazy diets, but an accessible habit that anyone can adopt. After all, who would have thought that something so simple could make such a difference? If you're tired of worrying about your health, of living with the constant fear of your kidneys worsening, then this is the moment to act. There's nothing better than having the power to do something concrete for your health every day. And what if I told you that besides improving your kidney health, this daily habit could also bring other benefits to your body and mind? That's right, you'll discover that taking care of your kidneys is just the beginning of a journey towards a healthier and more balanced life. So, ready to find out what it is and how to do it? Let's go! 1. Direct hit kidney health control. When we talk about kidney health, many people don't realize how a simple daily habit can be the key to preventing serious problems in the future. Just imagine, something as simple as drinking water regularly and avoiding excessive salt intake in your diet can be the difference between having a healthy kidney and a routine filled with constant medical appointments. The National Kidney Foundation highlights that these basic precautions can significantly reduce the risk of kidney disease and help keep creatinine levels within the normal range. It's impressive how something so accessible can make all the difference in your health. And it doesn't stop there. Let's suppose you start paying attention to how your body responds to different habits, something as simple as reducing soda intake and prioritizing antioxidant-rich fruits. This small adjustment will not only help your kidneys work better but also reflect invisible improvements in your daily energy levels. The point here is to understand that every choice counts and that by making healthier choices, you're directly investing in your kidney health. But don't think it's necessary to make drastic changes all at once. The great insight is to start with small alterations that, over time, become a natural part of your routine. Maybe it's time to replace that daily fast food with nutrient-rich homemade meals, or perhaps swap your afternoon coffee for chamomile tea. Yes, every small choice is a step in the right direction, not only for your kidneys but for your health as a whole. And speaking of teas, have you thought about how something so simple can be a great ally in your journey? 2. Bar chart health journaling. Keeping a health journal might seem trivial, but in reality, it's a powerful practice to monitor and understand how your body responds over time. Just imagine, recording your blood pressure, glucose levels, and even your meals daily. This habit can become your best ally in preventing kidney problems, helping you identify patterns that may go unnoticed in your daily life. After all, kidneys are silent organs. They don't complain until the situation is really complicated, and a journal can alert you before it's too late. Think of this journal as a mirror of your health. By noting your daily measurements and behaviors, you create a deeper connection with your body, noticing the impact of each decision you make. Let's suppose that over a week, you record an increase in the intake of sodium-rich foods and soon after, you notice a rise in your blood pressure. This simple data could be the alert you need to adjust your diet before your kidneys suffer the consequences. The power is in the details, and the journal is where you find them. Moreover, keeping this record isn't just a control tool, but also a way to celebrate your victories. Every time you notice an improvement, no matter how small, it will be there, written down, to remind you of the progress you've made. And that, in itself, is a great motivation to continue taking care of your kidney health. Besides, taking care of your health can be easier than it seems, especially when we start incorporating small habits that make all the difference. Have you tried replacing that afternoon coffee with chamomile tea, which is not only relaxing but great for kidney health? 3. Teacup without handle chamomile tea benefits. When it comes to relaxation and well-being, chamomile tea is one of the first things that comes to mind, and it's no coincidence. This simple yet powerful drink has been used for centuries to calm nerves, improve digestion, And, what many don't know, support kidney health. What few people realize is that by reducing stress and blood pressure, chamomile tea indirectly eases the workload on the kidneys, which don't have to deal with the side effects of a body constantly under tension. And there's more. Incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine can be a strategic step for those suffering from hypertension or digestive issues, two conditions that, if uncontrolled, can overburden the kidneys. Imagine replacing that rushed morning coffee with a moment of pause, with a cup of chamomile tea. This simple gesture not only helps calm the mind but also contributes to keeping blood pressure at healthy levels, creating a more favorable internal environment for the kidneys. But don't think the benefits stop there. Besides its direct effects on relaxation and digestion, chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Therefore, if you're looking for natural ways to take care of your health, starting to drink chamomile tea regularly can be a smart decision. And since we're talking about kidney health, how about exploring other ways to keep your kidneys happy and functioning well? 4. Flexed biceps smart dietary swaps. When it comes to protecting kidney health, dietary choices play a fundamental role. It's not necessary to deprive yourself of everything you like, but making smart swaps in your diet can be a real game changer. Imagine, for example, replacing that snack of fries with a handful of blueberries. Besides being delicious, these small fruits are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals, thus easing oxidative stress on the kidneys. Small changes like this can have a profound impact on your health over time. Another example of a smart swap is including more leafy greens, like kale, in your daily meals. These foods not only provide an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals but also help reduce acidity in the body, which is crucial for keeping the kidneys from becoming overburdened. And how about replacing red meat with salmon? Rich in omega-3, salmon not only protects the heart but also has anti-inflammatory properties that directly benefit kidney health. Smart swaps are an effective way to nourish your body while protecting your kidneys. These small changes may seem simple, but the impact they have on your health is significant. By making these substitutions in your daily life, you not only improve your kidney health but also enhance your overall quality of life. After all, keeping the kidneys in good condition means having more energy, vitality, and well-being. And speaking of energy, have you considered how meditation can be a powerful complement to these dietary changes? 5. Person in lotus position meditation for health. Many underestimate the power of meditation, but this ancient practice is a true ally in maintaining health, especially when it comes to kidney health. Regular meditation has the ability to reduce stress, which is one of the kidney's biggest enemies. When the body is constantly under tension, blood pressure rises, putting extra strain on the kidneys. By adopting meditation as part of your routine, you give your body a necessary break to recover and function more efficiently. And don't think that meditating is something reserved only for monks or people with plenty of free time. Even if you only have 5 minutes a day, this practice can bring significant benefits. Imagine starting the day with a brief guided meditation session, focusing on your breath and calming your mind. This not only helps control blood pressure but also prepares your body to better handle the day's demands without overloading your kidneys. It's a small-time investment that can bring great returns for your health. Moreover, meditation doesn't just impact the physical but also the emotional, helping to create a more balanced and positive mindset. This change in perspective can directly influence your daily choices, including diet and physical activity levels, which are crucial for keeping the kidneys healthy. Incorporating meditation into your life is, therefore, a holistic way to care for your kidney health. And, speaking of care, have you considered the importance of light physical activity, such as a daily walk, to complement these benefits? 6. Person walking daily walking. The simple practice of walking daily can be one of the best decisions you can make for your kidney health. It may seem basic, but it's precisely this simplicity that makes walking so effective. When you move, your body regulates blood pressure better, which relieves the kidneys from the extra pressure of having to filter blood under stress. Moreover, walking helps control blood glucose levels, another crucial factor in preventing kidney disease. It's an accessible activity that anyone can start incorporating into their daily routine. Imagine dedicating 30 minutes of your day to a light walk. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. A stroll around the neighborhood is enough to keep your body moving and your kidneys working better. And while walking, you're not only taking care of your physical health but also your mental health. Walking can be a moment of active meditation, where you slow down your mind and connect with the present. This combination of movement and mindfulness brings a positive impact to the whole body, especially to the kidneys. But the most interesting thing is how this simple habit can trigger a cascade of other benefits. By walking regularly, you may feel more energized to make other healthy changes, such as improving your diet or starting to meditate. These practices complement each other and form a solid foundation for a healthier and fuller life. So, how about taking the first step and starting this journey of taking care of your kidneys and your health in an integrated way? Now that you have the knowledge necessary to transform your kidney health, the decision is all yours. Ask yourself, what am I waiting for to start? It's not just about listening and forgetting, but acting, making this simple change that can deeply impact your life. Imagine how it will be to live without the constant worry about your health, knowing that you are doing your best to take care of your body. So, what's stopping you from taking the next step? The time to change is now. Start incorporating these habits into your daily life and watch the transformations. And why not go further? Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and keep learning more about how to take care of your health effectively and naturally. This is just the beginning of a journey towards a healthier and happier life. Are you ready to move forward?